Hello kids, today we will draw a cute Christmas cake. So let's start. First draw a horizontal line like this. Then draw another horizontal line, but make it a little bit longer. Well done, now connect both lines with curved line like this. Look, we draw a plate. Now let's draw a cute Christmas cake. First draw a vertical line like this. Then make a curve and draw a long horizontal line. Good job, draw it like a box, and it's done. Now I'm going to make cream for cake. Just draw wavy line. Draw it slowly, and it will look very beautiful. You can also draw different designs. Well done, it's looking very great. Now let's draw a cute snowman. First draw a circle above the Christmas cake. Good job, now draw a scarf on snowman neck. Draw a big curved line on both sides like this. Now let's draw a snowman face. Draw 2 dots like this. Then draw a cute smile and a triangle nose. Don't forget to make the snowman hands. Draw a line like this and draw its fingers. Well done, now draw the other hand also. I'm making some buttons on snowman's stomach. Lastly, draw a cute hat for snowman. Just draw like me, and it's done. Well done, we complete our drawing. Look how cute it's looking. So let's color it. First use blue color on plate. I'm coloring the outline first, then slowly fill the blue color. Just color up and down, up and down, up and down. And it's done. Good job, now use baby pink color or red color on cake. You can use any color you want. Just do the simple steps, and it will look very beautiful. Do the same thing, first color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Make sure to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel to watch more drawing video. Look how cute it's looking. Now use sky blue color on cream part of cake. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Don't color on the outline. Slowly fill the color like me and it's done. Now let's color the snowman. Use red color on snowman's scarf and hat. Good job! Now use yellow color to make some sprinkler on cake. Just draw some line, and it's done. You can use any color to make sprinkler. Now use green color and do the same thing. Just draw some random lights, and it's done. Lastly, use dark blue color and draw the sprinkler. Look, we almost complete our drawing. Lastly, use white color on snowman eyes. Also use white color on the plate. Make some line like this and it's done. Finally, we complete our drawing. Look how cute our Christmas cake is looking. The snowman is also happy and it's jumping on the cake. Click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel to watch more drawing video.